In an exclusive interview with our reporter, they reveal that the podcast is not based on imagination, and you can, or rather definitely will, find a resemblance in your lockdown life. So it's safe to say that the podcast is meant strictly for entertainment purposes only and does not intend to hurt the sentiments of any individual, community, sect, or religion. A leaflet, guys, like a leaflet has been published that advises viewers discretion. That's all for today, folks. This is me signing off. Janhit mein jari.
Who wants to stay? Everybody. Alright then. The party is on. But in the limit and not at the cost of destruction of any belonging or any property herein or attached herewith. Okay?
That's it? Sounds like one hell of a party.
Yeah, I've never been to a better one. I can't wait.
Yeah. Thank you, Kumar. Just don't break anything or litter around. Also, we have to keep our voices to the minimum, guys. The sound level cannot exceed 50 decibels. Kai, Falak. Falaga.
Stuck it together, nowhere to go. अब क्या करूँ मैं जिंदगी? Locked up with randos for God knows how long. Stocked up on भिंडी, आलू और अंडे 2000. सुट्टे के पैकेट्स और सैनिटाइजर में है प्यार. जो भी होगा देखा जाएगा. 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 जिंदगी में जारी
To hell with the last night. Okay. It's all cleaned. I'm back in my house. Whoa. Okay. Who cleaned the mess and arranged everything the way it was? Hello? Okay, now you're being modest. Where was all the modesty last night, huh? Guys, I don't think anyone's listening. Anyway, thank you for doing this. Okay? Ravi, ut, chal.
Go away.
See, people have arranged the whole house as it was.
5 minutes.
Good job.
अरे यार तन्वीर काय चाललंय? Go away, झोपू दे please.
Good job at talking to the people and establishing the order like you promised, Ravi.
Wait, what? I didn't talk to anybody.
What the hell?
अरे what? I was so stressed out. I needed some time off.
Then why did you take up the responsibility?
I didn't take the responsibility per se.
Yeah, you did. Ask Malvi. Kude Malvi? Malvi?
No, I didn't. And I won't.
Ravi.
Okay, I did.
Were you seriously denying this whole thing to my face?
अरे यार.
Idiot. Fuck it. I'm talking to people right now. Come outside. Chal, ut.
Fuck, नको ना.
Guys, hello. Everybody listen to me. Come on. We have to talk in the living room right now. Yeah. Madhuranjan, come here.
Is it compulsory for all? I mean...
Yes, Falak. Come here. Okay. What happened last night was a one-time thing and it's not gonna happen again.
Oh, okay, dude. Come on, show some manners. At least take her name, bro. What are you doing? Come on.
What? No, hey, no, I'm talking about the party.
Oh, what about it?
Falak.
Hi.
Yeah, hi. Please catch up. Let's decide a few things. I think let's plan out a schedule.
अरे what schedule?
How our day is gonna look.
Since when did it become our day?
The moment all of you decided to stay back, Kumar.
Hey, but bro, I already have my own schedule.
Good for you, bench.
ये इधर आंसर इट या फिर कट कर.
अरे no, it's not important. You continue रे तनवीर.
Anyway, coming back to the last night, let's steer clear of the substances. Okay?
I agree.
Never mix alcohol with weed, huh?
What are you talking about? Arey Baba, last night was so much fun.
Don't you remember anything about last night? Pauline's head is shaved, for God's sake. What are you talking about?
Yeah, about that. Why are we not laughing about this? Why? Why is everyone choosing to remain silent on the issue?
अरे shut up यार.
I do not see any change in him, like at all.
Falak, he's literally somewhat bald. What happened, yaar, Pauline? Do you want to talk about it?
No.
Hey Palin, going full bald is anytime better than what you actually did last night. Okay?
Hey Pauline, if it makes you feel any better, now at least you completely look like Rajpal Yadav, bruh.
Hey, bench others.
Do you seriously think you were going to beat him up, idiot?
Okay. Okay, now somebody rub Pauline's chest.
Hey, Manoranjan. No, yaar, what are you talking about? Anyway, just remain quiet, yaar. So, about last night. Just don't break anything or litter around. Also, we have to keep our voices to the minimum, guys. The sound level cannot exceed 50 decibels. Kai, Falak. Falaga. Falak, you're not doing it properly, yaar.
Arey Baba.
Hey, keep the phone aside, yaar. Please, listen.
Oh.
Listen, look at me. Hey, na, hey, go. Did anybody see what she did? Oh, fuck. Falak. Hey, Ravi. Hey, Bobby.
Hey, bench others, lift me and spin me also na yaar. Are we are friends, no?
Dude. Look at yourself, dude. I'm not gonna lift you, bruh. Okay, who wanna go next?
I wanna go again, please.
Alrighty, teeny meeny, hop on.
Malvi, he just put you down. You had your chance for the third time now.
अरे यार correct हाँ ना यार बराबर है.
Hey, get aside. Hey, lift me now.
Hey, I can lift you both, alright?
No, it's my turn. Palin, here, take my phone, please. That was awesome. Can you spin me one more time?
Oh, put on your seatbelt. Yeah.
Hey, no, अरे bench others, spin me ना यार, please यार, just once.
Hey, dude, stay away, dude. I said no, bruh. Nobrah. Okay, who's next?
Me! Hey, Milap!
What is that, guys?
AKA Bench Adarsh. Spin me as
We
fast as you
should
can.
not be doing this.
Alrighty, hop on.
Ready? Go!
Where's the joint? Where's the fucking joint? Who took the fucking joint? Where is it?
Hey, why are you all
Pauline,
spinning when I'm
are you
not
sitting on it?
spinning you around, yeah?
I think I'm gonna throw up all around. Damn you, 3 balls of manchao
Oh,
soup.
there it is.
Hey, अरे यार, please lift me also ना यार. Please यार, मिलाप सिन्हा, I beg.
Fuck it. I'm gonna spin you so hard, you're going to wish that you were dead. Gals, you're in for a show. Get back.
Yes. Everybody, get back.
Hey, just hop on.
Oh.
Okay.
It was awesome, Ray. Yeah, Ray, one more time. One more time. Please.
Hey, my shoulder workout is done for the day, dude.
So what was I saying? Yeah, weed is really bad, guys.
वेदात मराठी वीर दौडले सात वेदात मराठी वीर दौडले
अरे बेटी पुष्पा कहाँ जा रही हो अपने गधे पर बैठकर?
अरे बेटी पुष्पा कहाँ जा रही हो अपने गधे पे बैठ के?
All of you got me high passively, you bitch. Watch your step, man. I'm building my castle. And give me that.
Don't get so stressed up, man. It's okay. I'm sorry, by the way.
You are sorry. Okay. Now you're sorry. You were the first to blow it in my face, you asshole. You started it.
I didn't, okay? Did I? I didn't. Did I? Nah, I didn't.
Shut up. If you come to me one more time to talk about this same shit, I'll throw you off the balcony, you bastard.
What?
Give me that.
Hey. This is the first time I came to talk to you about this, bro.
No, you didn't. Or did you? No, you didn't. Or did you? Hey, come back, you Mandaranjan. Where are you going?
Roll your joints gently on the floor. Roll your joints gently on the floor.
Okay, Ravi, you have to stop now. You've been doing this for over an hour. Ravi, we have to stop.
I can't stop, even if I decide to.
These are 20-25 joints that you've been rolling. Everybody is already stoned as fuck. Look around.
I was kidding. I don't want to stop. We have to smoke up all the joints today. Please keep that phone aside for some time, yaar Falak. Come here, help me. Sing along.
I'm not going to help you. And besides, I have to have this on my video.
Hey Tanveer, what's up? What are you blending? You aren't blending ice cream, right? Are you? You know what? We should eat and drink all the ice cream in the fridge so that no one else can have it. What do you think?
I'm too stoned to say no to anything. What were you saying? And why are you staring at me?
Huh? No, I am not.
Yes, you are as we speak.
Oh, hello.
Hello.
Oh, hello. I am talking to you. That's why I'm looking at you. If I wasn't talking to you, I wouldn't be looking at you.
Fair enough.
So, are we eating the ice cream or not? Guys, they aren't back yet. Yeah, I really think we should go and search for them.
Yeah, I think so too. It's been 2 hours now that they've gone.
Hai na?
Bubu, it's 4:30. They went out at what? 4:15.
Really? What the actual fuck?
Wait, what? 4:15?
Guys. Check this out.
Hey, where is Palin?
Malvi, this is Palin in the video. He passed out by that plant, by that stairs, you know. I don't think we actually went for that walk though.
Hey, dude.
Beep beep. Pom pom.
शुद्धेस का रे जरा तू तन्वीर. चल ओरिगामीची तोरणं करू.
हो मला ते बेंच आदर्शच्या दंडाला लावायचंय.
अरे व्हॉट बेंच आदर्श व्हॉट 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 व्हॉट
What?
अरे यू सेड ना डूड.
Oh, let's bring him in, dude.
But how did he pass out in that position? What was he trying to do?
Look at him. Gando Sala. He came here to look after me.
साले ठरकी मेरा नाम बदनाम करने के लिए पैदा हुआ था तू.
Guys, can we please watch something else? This is just. Shh. Hey, you don't shush me, Manoranjan.
Woohoo! Up top, sister.
Hey guys. Look at Palin. Look how he's staring at Rajpal Yadav.
Hey, guys. Paleen looks exactly like Rajpal Yadav from this angle. Come, check it out.
अरे ना रे. अरे हाँ रे. अरे fuck. हाँ रे. I think it's the hair. Hair. Yeah.
Hey, what?
Pauline, both of you have the exact same hairstyle. Look.
Good joke, huh? Good joke.
मला फक्त आय जस्ट वॉन्ट टू टेल समथिंग. आय एम कम्प्लिटली नॉर्मल. लाईक रिअली लाईक कम्प्लिटली नॉर्मल. थँक्यू फॉर आस्किंग यू गाईज. पाणी भरून ठेवायचं का? ओके आय एम ऑन इट.
Hey, Paleen, bro. You look exactly like Rajpal Yadav. Only he's a way taller.
Guys, I think they both look very different. Like, really different. Please stop it.
No, Falak, wait. Pauline, look up. No, not straight up.
Huh?
To the right.
Huh?
Now slightly down.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, there it is. Can you see it now?
Hey, up top, sister.
Hey यार હું ચાલ્યો ઊંઘવા. I am going to sleep. હા હું ચાલ્યો.
I just want to tell guys, don't worry. I just tripped over and sprained my right wrist and left ankle. But it's nothing. I am completely normal. So you just carry on. अरे पाणी चालू राहिलं होतं. आलो. I am on it. I am still on it. मी आलो.
એ પાલી તું ગાંડો છે કે તારા વાળને શું થયું? એક જ બાજુથી ટકલું કેમ કર્યું?
Cool hairstyle, bro.
What have you done? Why have you shaved off only the right side of your head?
I don't look like him anymore. Huh?
Shit, we need to fix this. But after this.
Hey, please don't put this picture on social media. बाकी picture निकालो. Whoa!
Hey, me too. Click a picture with Pauline. No, Pauline, show me your bald side.
Take us as well, na please.
Hey, girls. He's my brother also. Please let me click a picture with him, no?
Hey, Falak. Gal, why are you shooting this? Instead, shoot this.
Please don't take off your shirt. We really need to focus.
Milap, what have we decided?
I didn't close the toilet seat. It must be Manoranjan.
Really?
Oh, okay. I'm not supposed to take off my shirt whenever I want to, right?
Thank you.
Manoranjan, what are you doing? And what is this now? Trending hot styles on soldier cut only? How to grow hair on one side only faster? Wow. Stop it, Stop it. Enough.
Yeah, at least I'm trying to help, okay?
Okay. We can fix this. Ish. Pauline, चुप बैस.
Seriously, God.
Okay. Who is going to clean the cut hair now? I don't want Pauline's DNA, no offense, brother, in any form in my house, guys. And I'm completely normal as I say this. Oh, fuck! Look at what you did to my house, yaar! Please don't sleep. Get up! I think we should smoke one more. Oh my god! Those were some expensive lamps, man. Guys, this living room is a hell now. Gaan lag liya, yaar. Gaan lag liya. Answer the call.
Arey, no, it's not important.
Anyway, about last night, I just want to say,
I am ordering pizza.
Arey Pauline yaar. Listen, my point is, I am going to have my office job as regular. I don't know about all of you.
Me too. Regular working hours.
I don't have anything in particular, but I'll find something. Hey, I can help you guys with your work. And you? No olives and no mushrooms.
Okay, done.
Thank you, Falak. But it has not come to that yet, so I mean.
I am to chill. We'll have to make a few calls daily. Otherwise, I'll rest mostly. Mota bhai, ye sausage add kari diyo. Double.
Hey, bro. No cheese, only veggies for me, bro. And yeah, add me some pineapples.
I'll also have to work over the phone. Although my working hours are a bit flexible. And I would like a barbecue chicken with extra olives and extra chicken.
Wouldn't we all? But after we all are done here, also make it cheese burst.
Ravi!
Sorry, thin crust?
That is not the point, yaar. Are you all so incapable of sticking to the topic that we are already discussing and finishing it first and then moving on to the next topic? I think this whole thing was a very bad idea to begin with.
Yaar Tanveer, you are such a baby man.
Okay, calm down. And why are you two giggling like some sad ass bitches?
Okay, Ravi, you need to calm down. Alright?
Yeah, Ravi. Chill. And I'm sorry for overreacting, guys. Anyway, Kumar, don't you have anything?
I don't have work as such, but I've got my research work for sure. And apart from that, daily regular calls. Hey Pauline, can you please add extra corn to that? Yeah.
Arey yaar, Kumar. Hell no. There is no way we are deciding individual responsibilities by picking up chits.
Yeah, but you have written all the 85 jobs yourself.
But there was no need to tear them down to chits.
It's more fun this way.
See yaar, how boring. I got turn off all the electrical appliances before sleeping and read the sentence again till you understand it. What's up with that?
Arey, what the hell, Ray Tanveer? I got check for the puke on the potted plants outside and everywhere. Hey, what is everywhere, Ray?
Well, listen to this. I got prohibit people from throwing stuff outside the window/terrace and go pick up the stuff in case of failure of the responsibility.
That's right. Keep it going. Last night's party has contributed heavily to the list of these 85 chits. 85 jobs.
Yeah, Tanveer, bro. Your job is to thoroughly wash all the male underwear.
Hey, that wasn't even a job.
I know. We added one.
You fuckers. Go ahead, do whatever you want.
What the fuck? Falak, can you please explain this?
What happened? Show me. What the fuck? You've been posting this shit on Facebook since yesterday and that too live? Arey yaar, kya ho gaya mulini?
So that's why Papa is calling me.
Raji, did you see this?
अरे काय काय रे नोटिफिकेशन या
सगळे येणार आहेत आता घरी. अरे मी दिसली
Hey, has Daddy commented on the video?
जो भी होगा देखा जाएगा जो भी होगा देखा जाएगा जो भी होगा देखा जाएगा जो भी होगा